Something new from us. We're going to try and do a bit of a weekly vlog now that the theme parks are back open again. Potentially some travel restrictions being lifted, and we're able to plan and travel back to some of our favourite places that we like to visit.
Fingers crossed.
So we're going to try a bit of a weekly roundup to let you know what we've been doing, what we've got planned, and anything else along the way. So this weekend then, bank holiday weekend.
Whoop!
Some of us have been a little bit luckier than others.
I've had 3 days off, you haven't.
Just the one day. Weather's lovely yesterday.
Yeah, we had a nice little trip to the beach yesterday.
Yeah, something nice to... Bit of a difference from being stuck indoors, stuck at the house.
However, today is appalling.
Absolutely atrocious.
You've been at work, haven't you? So...
Yeah, I've been in work. First time this week visiting a non-essential shop.
We went to Cardiff on Saturday morning, didn't we? Only day off.
Yeah.
Did a bit of shopping.
And of course, looking forward to getting back to Primark for Disney goods.
We did have a good scout on Primark, didn't we?
Yeah.
There's not much there for men.
No.
Not in Cardiff, anyway.
No.
You never have much luck, do you?
No, not fantastic. Need to get to that Birmingham, world's biggest Primark shop.
Me too. I got some goods though.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah, let's see what we've got.
Right, we are crossing our fingers. So we're going to be in Florida in October.
Yep, ready for HHN.
I've got me, let's see, this
Nice.
is a Marvel.
Nice retro classic Marvel
It's nice.
comics.
You've spotted this.
Yeah, I did.
It's lush.
I like how it's like loose fit.
Nice and loose.
Like a different sort of baggy feel, which is obviously ideal for Orlando with the heat.
Get your sweat out. Can't you?
Yeah.
Flush.
Lovely. Really nice. Yeah.
And £7.
£7. I mean,
bargain.
Fantastic when you're talking about
And
in
it
the
is-
parks. That
And
would
it is
probably
Marvel at Primark, it says.
Yeah.
So that's quite good. It's
Yeah,
not...
still, the official licensed Marvel
Yeah.
products.
That was good.
Yeah, you're talking, you'd be talking £20 easy in a
Easy,
in a theme park for that, or from Marvel shop or something.
Yeah.
Marvel website.
And what they did have in Primark was like this. What was it, like a world?
Like Save the
Organic.
Planet, like all organic materials,
Yeah.
and like a Disney crossover, wasn't it? Made using organic cotton. So I'll put a couple of pictures in on the video, just to show you if they've got what kind of range they've got.
This was the t-shirt I got.
Yeah, nice.
Cute it is.
Most of this some is embroidered
It's
as well.
embroidered and it's got like a little Mickey and Minnie on the sleeve. You can see that. And it's all embroidered, which is nice.
Really nice, yeah. And all of the colours were sort of like this organic.
Earthy, isn't
Yeah.
it? They had like a nice greeny.
You can tell they haven't sort of, most of it's like a natural kind of colours instead of them dyeing it some, random
They had
colours.
some lush stuff, didn't they?
Yeah,
I
it's
had
very
to
nice.
pick hard to get that.
Yeah.
Could have bought a lot actually. It was very nice. And they had loads of they had wooden hairbrushes, notepads, all sorts, didn't they?
Yeah, so like I said, I put a couple of pictures in on the video of sort of the range that they've got. So you can see the different kind of bits, variety of different prices and stuff.
How much was that then?
Not sure.
I think it was about the same, I think. £8.
£8, and it says on there then, just Disney made using organic cotton, Primark Cares.
Yeah.
Nice new range.
Lovely.
Yeah.
They had
Also,
nice
you had
sweater.
something else from that range.
Right.
It's the hat scenario.
It is the hat situation. You've never seen me wear a hat because I got like a massive head.
Something wrong that we cannot get a hat that fits Nick, even though it says one size fits all. No, it doesn't.
My head is huge. I don't even know.
Some of you might have seen in our last Disneyland Paris vlog. I'm not sure how many hats you tried on, but you just got nowhere with it. So you did manage to find one, even the ones with the extendable straps and stuff like that as well. Still no joy. And this
I
one
got
is
thick hair. I don't know whether that's. I'm telling
think so.
myself that's to do.
Yeah, we go with thick hair. Sounds better.
Yeah.
This one's actually from that range as well, isn't
But
it?
I found this, which is quite cute. It's like a little Mickey with the world in him.
Yeah.
Nice little pink.
Save the planet again.
And it does fit. It's a bit of a... But I tried it on my hair tie back.
Goes nice with your...
Oh yeah, my mini jumper.
mini
This is
jumper.
from Primark as well.
Yeah, nice.
Long time ago though.
We finally got a hat.
Yes!
Ready for...
Whenever.
Whenever.
Who cares? And I'll just tie my hair back because I think it is to do with the thickness of my hair.
Great news.
Yeah, I'm chuffed with that.
Fantastic.
Really cute. This is a £5.
Yeah, £5.
And again, it's it's made using recycled plastic.
Wow.
Look.
That's really
awesome.
good.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So Nick's got a hat.
Woo!
So, we've also got some magic mail that we've had, which has been sitting on this table for the last few days, just because we've been too busy to open it.
We've been too busy, haven't we?
So, let's take a look.
So, we ordered some stuff from the Disney shop.
Disney store, shopdisney.com.
And we had it delivered to the local shop.
Yeah. So,
shop thing.
I believe it was slightly cheaper to have it delivered to a nearby shop, which is
it was like
1 minute
£1.
down the road.
Yeah.
And to get it, and obviously, if you're not in, and you're not sure when you're going to be in, when it's going to be delivered, it makes it slightly easier.
Yeah,
You
this
just
is a huge parcel.
pick it up at your own convenience then, you know.
Unfortunately.
Let's go.
Not the best service in our little shop, is it? Hey ho.
We'll
What
crack
I love.
I'm sure most of you have had a Shop Disney package, and the
Just
box
awesome,
just
like.
seems a waste.
I think I might.
You tilt it. There you go. So first off, the better bit of that is you got like a tab at the top where you rip off. So on the tab, first off, you've got, we keep moving forward, opening new doors and doing new things because we're curious, and curiosity keeps leading us down new paths. The cardboard is blocking it. New paths. And obviously that was Walt Disney.
Oh, little quote.
Yeah, that's a cute little thing to start off with. And then the box.
The
So
box
you've got
is
inside
awesome.
is like a cartoon type of Disney, you know, like the old black and white sort of cartoon comic strips.
I might keep it and colour it in. Like we've got time for that.
Yep, and like we've got place to keep a box like this. So yeah.
Right, let's have a look then. Because I know we ordered, but
Yeah.
it's obviously nice to see it.
So,
Well
are they
packaged.
wrapped in, they're both wrapped together? No, they're good, we're good.
Right.
So are you going
We
first?
had something, you can go first there.
So I had something, Nick's got something. Now, this range that I've chosen a product from come out last year, I think. I'm pretty sure it was beginning of last year at some point.
Oh, yeah, it was last year.
And it was on Shop Disney. Like most of you know, you can purchase products from the park. So because you've got Shop Disney UK, you can purchase products from Disneyland Paris shop.
See.
That disappeared.
It did disappear.
Yeah, it did disappear. And then I spotted it. It was back.
Yeah.
And then it was on offer. Oh.
Bless me, sorry.
Then it was on offer, so I just had to get it. And what I absolutely love about this is that it's also fit into what the range is.
I love it.
Okay?
Slightly
So
jealous, not gonna lie. I'm just looking forward to.
I went for, and I believe this was $39.99.
We had it on like the Friday.
And it was
it like a
Friday deals. We had 30% off.
Was it 30%?
30%. So I believe in the end it was something like
I'll tell you about here.
28, something like that. I'm not sure.
31.
31.
92.
So, I have got this.
Wow.
Euro Disney.
You got
12th of
the
April,
sweater.
1992.
It's lush. They had a
Amazing.
t-shirt as well, didn't they? Yellow one,
So,
it's really tempting.
What I really like about it is that they haven't just put the logo on like a new sort of new sweater or sort of a colour that's more in-fitting to today.
Yeah.
They've actually kept it really retro, like the
lush.
red. The t-shirt version they had of this was like the yellow.
It's
like
this yellow, isn't it?
Oh yeah, like that kind of yellow, like a deep
it's
golden
lush.
retro yellow.
I love it.
I always go on all the time, Euro Disney, and you always have a go, yeah, it's not Euro Disney, but to some of us, it'll always be Euro Disney. Never mind what the name changes to, it'll always be.
It's so cute.
So you've got Mickey on there, Euro Disney. I love the classic logo as well, it's awesome. And then 12th of April 1992, which is going to be a big anniversary for us next year.
Yes.
And
they'll be doing the castle.
it's during the school holidays next year.
Woo!
So it looks like that'll be in planning for one of our weekly vlogs at some point.
You need to book that week off, don't you?
Excellent. There we go.
Nice.
Right then. Go.
Mine. Now, I'm not going to lie. I like the jumper that you had. But I didn't see the point in us both getting that.
Yeah.
Then I fancied the t-shirt, and then, I don't know. So I had a good scout on the website, and I found this.
This was also a 30% deal.
It was only £12.50.
That is amazing.
Which is it's on a hanger. Which is a really good deal, I think. Another sweater.
Yeah.
It's this, look. It says Mickey on the front. It's like this two-tone.
That's the front?
This is the front. Yeah. I quite like it. Like the grey and the red two-tone.
Same again. Parks sweater.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. It is.
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah.
Look, you've got like a little thing down here.
Oh look.
Little, look that way. Paris. Little Mickey is the eye.
Oh, I love it.
And
it's quite cute, isn't it? It's all embroidered. £12.50, mind. That's awesome.
I remember seeing these. We were there in the park last year.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen it before.
Like the Paris range, and then spin it around.
Look at the back.
Nice.
Love it.
That's like sticky on.
Yeah.
Really nice.
It's much better than I thought it was, because it was only £12.50. I thought it was going to be more of like a t-shirty kind of thing, but it's a full sweater.
No, it is really, really nice. And the thing is, if you think about it, when we were there in August, the park had been shut for a period, and from March until end of July or whenever it was, and they had lots of stuff there, and there was 40%, 30%, 50% discount. Yeah. And they've had to shut again. They just
poor things
got so many things they need to get rid of. I like that. It's like the like American style jersey.
That's right. Yeah.
Really nice.
Oh, I love that.
Amazing.
Really cute. £12.50. I'm landed with that.
So, fingers crossed.
Yeah.
So today's the day when Disneyland Paris are actually having the discussions with the French government today about when they can reopen. There is sort of a rumour around end of June at the latest, so fingers crossed we will get very soon. And now we both got a sweater to wear on first day back.
Well, it might be too hot if we go in August. Should I go bought the t-shirt?
I'm sure we'll make use of it somewhere.
Oh, definitely. So fingers crossed.
So that...
We are hoping for August, aren't we? That's like our next sort of week off.
Yeah.
Ish.
Most probably back at least somewhere doing what we enjoy.
Yeah.
And that is our Shop Disney parcel this week. So that's the first sort of snippet into our new weekly roundup, weekly kind of vlog thing. Not much this week because of the bank holiday weekend, both busy working.
Yeah.
We'll try and do a bit of filming this week and then have a bit of a collection going for next Monday.
See what we're up to.
Yeah, great stuff. Don't forget, you can also follow us along on all the social media platforms. You can follow our channel on YouTube. Check out our newest vlog, which is the opening day from Alton Towers of the 2021 season.
He went without me.
I went alone, but I did miss you.
Yeah.
I did. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. See you all soon.
Bye.
Bye.